I can see the sun, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. No matter what the weather, no, the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. I can go inside, but the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. It's all in my head, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't. Hey, but the rain don't stop. Driving home on a Sunday morning. Don't break speed limit 60 going 40. Slow like my life, need something different. It's boring. My public point of view is fake as fuck on my story. Say I pretend to be someone that I wish I'd be. Fake it till I make it. That's the motto, homie. Fitting me. Don't care about relationships. Never had a friend of me. Either you my homie or homie you fucking dead to me. Bad nights mixed with bad times and bad wine. Bad girls and then with bad fights, bad advice. That's what I give and receive. Don't blame it on me, homie. You should've kept the receipts. I'm checking the time like I'm checking myself out in front of the mirror. I'm so vain, gassing myself up like propane. I'm happy that I don't got no fangs, no name to myself yet. Too self-righteous, I'm selfish. I socialized till I felt sick. I would trip a lot cause I felt quick. I've waited way too long, singing the same damn songs. Pretty soon that's all you know. Only place you can belong. I've waited way too long, singing the same damn songs. Pretty soon that's all you know. Only place you can belong. I can see the sun, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. No matter what the weather, no, the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. I can go inside, but the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. It's all in my head, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't. Hey, but the rain don't stop. Yeah, it's raining hard in KC. Flash flood dripping on my desk in my seat. Confessing over text, apologizing profusely. Producing all these sorries, I'm a sorry machine. And I understand I'm in the wrong, like rainwater in my socks. Squishing every time I step, I wish I could take them off. But that's not how it works in the real world. No up, PM, this shit is the real world.
Okay.
Yeah. I can see the sun, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. No matter what the weather, no, the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. I can go inside, but the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. But the rain don't stop. It's all on my mind, but the rain don't stop. No, the rain don't. Hey, no, the rain don't stop.
I'm sorry that I'm crying right now, but I'm drunk and I miss you.
I hate that I'm forgetting what I have until it's gone. I wish that I could turn back time, cause you're the one. When I try to open up inside, my heart is on a run. But I put it on my grave, cause you're the only one I want. And nowadays, being in love is do or die. Trying to get you out my head is like committing suicide. I just wanna find a way to make it you and I. But the drama all around us got me feeling mortified. I miss the old times that we spent. Now every time we talk, you just throw another fit. I try to make amends, but every time I do it ends. Tell me why the fuck should I just go and lose another friend over bullshit? Another day, another fight. Lately I've been trying to fix it all, make it right. Used to be the one that I held every night. I'm really broken down, but I say I'm alright. Yeah.
Love is suicide. You and I, do or die. Love is suicide. You and I, do or die. One survivor.
And I know that this is bullshit because you found a new perfect girl for you. But I miss you so much.
I wanna tell you everything, hard to find the words. Every time I try to tell to you, my stomach turns. My heart's cold, but I still feel the burns. Every night when I lay down, I swear I feel the worst. You and I know this shit is do or die. Trying to get got you out my head is like committed suicide. I've been done. I need to find a way out. All the pain that I have, it can never minimize. Every time I try to make up, it's like you never listen. What the fuck is wrong with me? I'm losing when I'm winning. Everybody that's around me says I'm better off forgetting, but it's hard when all I know is it was up from the beginning. You made it hard for me to trust. Tell me why you make it hard for me to fall in love. Let me down slow, yeah, you put me in the dust. I was searching for the one, you were looking for the lust.
Love is suicide. You and I, do or die. Love is suicide. You and I, do or die. One survivor.
Got me saying fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, way up, fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, yeah, fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, way up. Looking for love in all of my places. Want me to settle shit, better have patience. Too many drugs, forgot what my face is. Spreading good pills like I'm in a matrix. Pay me in cash so they cannot trace it. My time is money, so I do not waste it. I am not human, like automation. Treating my fears like blunts, I face them. I cannot wait on no little bitch to make me rich. Nope. I don't need love, got my drugs, roll up a spliff, yeah. I'm in love with bands, all I wanna do is count it up. I can't be a man, but you know I'm always down on fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, way up, yeah. Fuck love, smoke drugs, get high, yeah, hey, smoke drugs, get high, get high, smoke drugs, get high, way up.
Love is suicide.